Hi everyone, this is Juba and welcome to my channel again. So in this video I'm making an introduction to Termux for beginners. So many people have been messaging me and telling me on how to use Termux. I want you to tell me how to use Termux to hack. And so this is strictly for beginners who don't know anything about Termux before and you want to hack using Termux. So I am going to explain from the beginning how to use Termux, and it's as simple as ABC. Just keep on watching, follow all the instruction I lay down, follow this video and you will get to understand how to use Termux to hack anything. Once you have the scripts, then you can hack. So the first thing you need the Termux app on your phone. So to get this, just go to your Play Store and search for Termux, then download this Termux app on your phone. So once you have that on your phone, then you can go straight to download the ES File Explorer. So this ES File Explorer is kind of easy using it side by side with Termux. Whenever you want to copy your file directory, this ES File Explorer will make it easier for you to copy your file directory. So you can also download this from Play Store, but I have the link down this video. You can just check down this video, you see the link to download this ES File Explorer and Termux. So once you have this on your phone, then you can just launch this Termux. Then once you launch this Termux, then you input this command prompt. Now this command prompts, you have to install everything on your Termux so that your Termux will be ready for any hacking anytime. Once all these Termux this command prompts are installed, then your Termux is ready for use. Subsequently, when you are hacking some other things, you don't have to run this command prompt anymore. You just go straight, then you run your script on your Termux. So this is where most people are finding it difficult to hack. Once they try to run a script and it show lot of error, command error and all those errors, is because most of these commands are not yet installed on your Termux. But once you have all these commands installed on your Termux will be ready for use. So here I will run all these command on my Termux to show you how to do that. So first command I'm running is apt-update. This is to update your app. apt-update, and note, make sure your internet connection is on and you have enough data connection on your phone. So enter. This one will install your app, we update your app. So once that one is done, then you go to the next command, and this command, check the description box below this video. You will see this command there. I'll put everything there. You can download this command and run it on your Termux. Install everything on your Termux. Once everything is installed, then your Termux is ready to hack any script. So the next one is apt upgrade. Once you update your app, then you upgrade it. apt upgrade. Now done. So the next one, package install update, or your package, you have to update it. pkg install updates is already updated. So the next one, package install upgrade, pkg install upgrade. Let's run it again. pkg install upgrade. Now these are some errors that most people face. You see command action, command error, which that is to show that your package is not installed properly, or you make a minor mistake. Those mistakes might be due to error due to punctuation mark or uppercase, making use of uppercase instead of lowercase. So once you make a little mistake putting on uppercase instead of lowercase, you get error like this and your package won't be installed. And once your package is not installed, you will find it difficult to run your script on your Termux. So make sure all the spellings are correct, and uppercase, make use of uppercase where it is needed, lowercase, make use of lowercase where it is needed, and also space, make use of space where it is needed, put space between your words where it is needed. So good, now this is correct and I get upgrade package done, reading state information done. That means it is already upgraded. So let's go to the next command, which is termux-setup-storage. Now what this means is that you are setting up your Termux with your internal storage so that your Termux will be able to locate any file you are running. You are going to download your script file in your internal storage, that is your phone storage. So when you are setting up your Termux running this script, Termux setup storage, this basically means you are setting up your Termux to locate your files right inside your internal storage, making your Termux to gain access to any script you want to run from your internal storage. So this is necessary. Without this, your Termux won't be able to locate your file from your internal storage. So you have to run this as well. So the next thing is to say, do you want to continue? You just have to type Y, which is yes. Ignore this one which says storage is going to be wiped. No storage content will be touched. That is, no storage content will be touched. So you are safe. You can type yes and continue. Good. Now the next thing, you have to run as many as possible, install as many as possible commands that you see here. Just download the list of commands from the description box and run it on your Termux. So from here, once you've installed everything, now from here your Termux can locate any file that you have on your phone. All you just have to do is just to specify where those files are located on your phone. So for example, cd. But before you continue from here, you make sure all these commands are installed on your Termux. I'm repeating it again. Make sure all these commands are installed on your Termux. Now the reason why I said this is that, for example, if I am running scripts that is designed with Python, you must install this Python package, install Python. You must have to install it on your Termux. If this is not installed, that script won't be able to run. And if you are running a script that requires pip, if pip is not installed, the script is not going to run. If you are running a script that is designed and that is built with some other kind of extension like PHP, if you don't specify this one called app install PHP, is not going to run. So let me just make example of what I'm trying to say. Let me install Python. Package install Python. So this might take some time, but because I've already installed it, it will just keep some steps. So you just have to wait for the Python to install. So you go to the next command. If you are running a script of a script that is built with PHP. Okay, let's say PHP. So you say package install PHP. So you run, it will be installed. Then from here you can now clear this history. Once the history is cleared, then you can now run your script from the beginning. That is when you now need the ES file explorer. So with this video, I'm going to make example of Bitcoin Blast. So your Termux to hack Bitcoin Blast, it will look exactly like this when you are hacking it. Once it's connected to the server and you've already installed all the plugins and all the commands, then you can start hacking exactly like this, and it will also reflect on your Bitcoin Blast account. So I'm going to show you from scratch how to make use of that script, how to run it on your Termux. So you click on Ctrl+C to exit the current one and clear, to clear every current commands on your Termux. So after doing that, then you can now go to your folder and copy the file path. So our file path is Bitcoin 3-in-1. So you long press on it, you go to property, then you copy, you go back to your Termux, CD, paste. So here you have to make sure you put space before the CD and the paste file path. So any mistake here, your file won't run. So make sure there's space between the CD. Then LS, and this LS, make sure is a small letter. If you make it uppercase letter like this, it will display error, and this error you won't be able to continue. So you use LS, then it will display all the file, so you can clear. Then let's start again. CD, paste your file directory, then small letter LS, it will display every content in that folder, and here is the content in that folder. Then we are going directly to the Bitcoin 3-in-1. So let's open and check. Okay, these are all the files around our folder. Now we want to make use of the Bitcoin 3-in-1 folder. So you copy it and paste it here to open that folder. Enter. Then once you enter LS to list everything in that folder. Now here are the two things in the folder. Let's open and see. boot.php. You can see our Termux has read everything in the folder, boot.php and config.json. So we need the boot.php. That is why you need to install Python. PHP, because our file extension is in boot.php. So in this case, you must have installed PHP on your Termux before you can run this. So I already have that installed on my Termux. All I just have to do is just enter PHP, then copy the boot.php file, or you can type it as well, boot.php, enter, then wait for a few seconds to connect with your server. Now your Python is already connected to your server and hacking has begun. So in some cases your file may need password and login details. Just make sure you enter the password of your Bitcoin Blast app and your username, so to negotiate to start hacking. And some script also might need PIN or passcode or some other code. There will be a link that you can get those PIN from. A link will be displayed on this dashboard where you can copy those links to your browser and you can get the PIN to access the hacking tools. So this is how easy hacking is on Termux, and once you install all the commands prompt you need, hacking will be very easy for you. So it is as easy as ABC. So make sure you drop your number in the country where you are watching me from, so I can release related videos related to your countries and more money earning video which you can use on your country. Drop your country below this comment box and your phone number, so I can release new video related to your country.